Package dimensions: 10.922 L by 6.858 HX 8.89 W centimeters. Package weight: 0.7 pounds. Genuine Briggs Stratton replacement part for small gasoline engines. This OEM part ensures proper fit and performance to maintain the life of your Briggs Stratton engine. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit on 1978 8-horsepower B&S engine. The pull start clutch had worn out on my trusty 1978 Snapper recycler rear engine rider. That mower has the classic 8-horsepower vertical shaft all-black B&S engine. I tapped the old one off with hammer and piece of wood to loosen it up and spun it off the top of the engine shaft. New one fit like a glove and returned the pull start action to like new.